Okay, we're on the 2012 Jetta. I just showed you the, the horn on this thing. Ain't much to it. So I think I've got a solution for it. It's going to have to do some wiring and change it up because I've replaced this. I had the factory one on it. I put one aftermarket on it. Oh no, I put a factory replacement on it, and then I put an aftermarket on it, and now it doesn't work again. So I don't know exactly what the problem is, but we're about to fix it. We're going to put something else on it. That should do it. Train horns. Got an air tank. It's got, did a little test on it. I think it'll work. But it's got to be wired up completely different than what these are done. So we'll get it all wired up and see how well it works. And we'll just, we'll see. I'm kind of excited. So stay tuned and let's get at this. We'll try to make it as clean as I can. Nice setup, and hopefully it won't go out anymore. All right, we'll see. Can't pop the trunk if the battery's disconnected. Just noticed I didn't have the mic turned on, but oh, we're gonna try to figure out if we can fit it down in here. I think it will. I think they'll fit in there. They're all one unit, so it appears they may fit in there. Anyway, we're just gonna pull this bumper off and see if we can get in there. All right. Got this bumper cover out of the way now. I'm thinking about this thing right up under here. Come with some hardware, a little angle iron to or angle bracket, not angle iron, angle bracket to attach it. Okay, it's the same marked, bolted in. Here we got two different drill bits. This one over here, blue one, was $8.50. This one was $11. We'll try the $8.50 first and see if it'll work. Hopefully it will. Oh, by the way, wouldn't work out here. Bumper just would not clear it there. This horn was just too long. Anyway, I think it'll be better over here anyway. Well, crap, I should have done that in the first place. Oof, that's so much better. All right. I got to do it the hard way first time like this. Every time. Just wouldn't make sense not to. Plastic shelving that goes all the way down. Guess I could get inside there and lay on top of that. All right. Getting the wire and the hose stretched out here. I was able to find some tape. I wasn't sure if I was going to find any at first. Oh, I don't tape them together so often. Okay, it's a new day. We're back out here again. We're going to start working on routing the wires and the air hose and then get everything mounted back here. And so anyway, I had to find a spot where I can drill through, get underneath, and then we're going to follow the gas lines up underneath the plastic shielding that's under there. And we'll get all this done. One word of advice: you have an old car that you've wrecked out, you've parted out, grab all the little grommets out of it. It's worked great for when you're going to do this. Give a good place to run my wires through without getting moisture back in and all that kind of stuff. So save all these out of your wrecked cars or your parts vehicles or whatever. So anyway, here we go. All right, that main powers to the fuse box. Well, that's good. Now we just gotta get our wires to the switch the horns on and off. Run over there to them. All right, hold on. Okay, we got it routed over here down to the horns. And pull them horns back off and make my wiring connections and mount them back up. Okay, we're to the back here. We're gonna go ahead and clip all of it off back here, and I'm gonna leave some slack so I can work easily back here. I'll just roll it up. We got plenty left, so No reason not to. Okay, so the hose will go straight into the tank. These two wires are going to be my switch for the horn actuator. This is the main power. They'll feed the pump or feed the whole circuit. Got my relay and fuse box here. Just something extra I ordered with Amazon. Has fuses and relays, and so do different stuff with it. I rewired or relanded some of the wires because I didn't like the way they had it all working. So I got it where it's going to work the way I want it to. 1 and 3 are constant, have when the key's on, they got constant power. The rest of them, 2, 4, 6, and 5, we'll be able to switch based on a trigger, whatever is going to trigger it. So that's how I'm going to have it all set up. Everything will first go through this box, and then from this box out. So first thing we got to do, we got to have power to the box. So that's what this wire is for. Okay, the camera died. Switch to a different camera here. Let's see what happens when we hook up this pump should kick on because it's not on a switch yet. Should hit 60 pounds and then shut off. Let's see. Okay, y'all get there at full capacity now. I hope the audio picked that up well. That was great. All right. That's just temporary in right now. I still got to run a trigger and finish it off. But that's great. All right. Test was a success. All right. I may be done for today. All right. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay. We're out here another day. Already done some planning and routing and trying to figure out how Volkswagen operates their horn, and very confusing. Anyway, I managed to get it hooked up a way that'll work. Not real happy with the way it is. It works. Anyway, we'll finish putting this together, and hopefully we'll have horns today. Well, we have horns. They work. They operate. It'll be all buttoned up and be able to drive the car and you can use the horns. All right, keep watching. We'll blow through all this, and then I'll go through and explain what all I did. All right, thank you. All right, we got it mounted on there. Let's see. Now this closes up now. All right, this is about right. I want it. Now let's start putting everything back in the trunk and start closing everything up all the way. Okay, the camera turned off while I was underneath the car. I tried to film that, but taking all those wires up, zip tying them up, and putting the belly pan back on it. It's got a plastic cover, but the camera turned off because it said it was too damn hot out here. So I let it cool down and I finished working. All right, so now I'm gonna finish putting this bumper. I put the wheel well back, inner fender wheel well plastic thingy bobber, whatever it is. I'll put it back in and then I'll finish working our way around. All right, stay tuned. Okay, we got it all hooked up. Got the horns done on it. It's all looking good. You can barely see the horns up inside there. Nice and inconspicuous. Big word, big word. All right. Oh, over back here. And all up there. Still need to do some wire management. Make it all look nicer. That all fits right there. And put my seat lever there. That makes it nice to access it. The back of that seat is metal, so I was able to put some riv nuts right into that, hold it all in there. And I got it. Was able to get it hooked up so that I could ride off the steering wheel horn, not off the factory horn, so works nice. All right, I hope y'all enjoy it. It's wired in so that I don't have to have a special button or anything. All the wires are up underneath in the little plastic body or belly pan, so that they're nice and clean, and runs up through the fender well and into the engine compartment. Everything's hidden behind the bumper. All worked out really well. Remember, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like, hit the subscribe, and share it with friends so that other people can enjoy it. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.